Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, dear students, as I have already told you, okay, you are going to have assignments. Okay? I will give you the assignment, and now when I will give you the assignment, basically, so it will be with the due date and assigned date and due date will be there. Okay? Let's suppose our assignment day will be Wednesday. So I am going to give you your assignment on 26th. Okay? On 26th on Wednesday. Getting this point? Means tomorrow I will give you one assignment. Then next week I will give you another
Sir,
assignment. Then next week. So you are going to have assignments. Okay? And you will have to submit that assignment in your assignments in your Google Classroom, and then I will check it and I will return. Then it will be automatically shown in your Google Classroom ke what are the marks which have been given to you. So this thing is should be very much clear. The assignment that I gave you on 19th was basically give you an understanding. Okay? वो मैंने आपको एक understanding दिया था so that you can know कि how assignment will come. But now this time when I will give you the assignment, it will be with the date, due date, all these things will be there with it. Getting this point?
sir,
G.
sir, I have a question.
G.
Sir, can I print out the project in MS Paper because I don't know how to attach it to Google Classroom from computer? So I'm going to print it out and take its photos from camera and send you on Google Classroom. Okay?
No, no. Project, when the project will be given to you, what you will do, you will send your publisher file, whatever you have made. So I will give you the project. I haven't given the project. I am going to give you, and a 15 days time will be there for you. Okay. Acha ji. So now I think all the students have joined. No need to ask, please, any question right now because we have to cover the things. Then I'm going to take the question. Otherwise, our lesson will not be completed. I have explained one time that I am going to give you assignments. Assignments will be given to you on Wednesdays. You will submit the assignment online. Okay. Sometime assignment, if the assignment is there in the Excel, you will do in the Excel. If the assignment is there in the by writing, so you will do it accordingly. Whatever the assignment is, you will have to do it accordingly. Okay. Acha ji, who is this student? Uh, Rahim. Rahim. Rahim, you are in which class? Just unmute your mic. Just unmute your mic.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Sir?
I could not find your name.
Sir, I'm in
Rahim.
P1C.
I'm not asking Rayan. I'm asking.
Sir, then how am I unmuted?
Okay. So last time what we were doing, actually we are going to continue the last work. Basically last time we saw that okay, how we can write a program by taking input. We applied some different things just like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, all these things are there that we have applied last time. And I had given you a program with which, if I open that program in front of you, let me open the small basic so that you can see what actually we were doing last time. It was basically about the and or operator, and operator. So this was basically and operator, where we applied the and operator k when we need to merge, the multiple conditions. So we are going to use the and operator. So I had given you this in your Google Classroom so that you can download it and you can go through it. Okay. Yes, Surya, you want to ask something?
So I want to ask that when I will do the project in Publisher, so I don't know how to send you because my classroom is in my phone and Publisher in my laptop. So can I take a photo and send you in the classroom?
It's better कि you should do on one system. You should do on your laptop. You can log in your classroom on your laptop and do your publisher work on your laptop. Okay, it's better way.
Okay.
अच्छा जी. Just lower the hand. I will take the questions afterwards. Now, what actually we are going to do? We are basically going to do some more things. If you come to the page number, in books, your page number 97. In page number 97, you will see that one program is there. We have already done the program of the and or. Okay, we have already applied the and or. This was basically about the and. Or हमने नहीं किया था. Or we are going to do now. Or how we can apply the or. Or means कि any one of them. Or means कि anyone. If there are two conditions, if or is there, so then the action will be performed if one condition is true. The action will be performed if one condition is true. Okay, this would be the case. Acha ji. So over here, if I write another program in order to give you the understanding of the or operator, so how we can do this job, how we can apply the or condition. So just like this was an example of where we use the and operator. Okay. So how we can use this for or operator? So what kind of program is there? Let's suppose if I give you one example of the program by writing or operator. Okay. So I'm going to take, let's suppose I'm going to take input for, and in this program I'm going to explain use of or operator. Let's suppose if I ask K, enter your gender, number one, and I am giving over here gender in G. Then I am asking for the enter your age, student's age means, and I am saving it in A, age. Okay. Now I am going to check for the condition. What I am going to do? I am going to check for the condition. If age is greater than 20, let's suppose. ठीक है? And not and, I am right now, I am going to apply or. अब हम और अप्लाई करके देख रहे हैं. And or gender is equals to female, then what text I am writing? I am writing over here, student can apply for admission. So this is basically a case that I have created over here. Otherwise, I am writing a message. Student cannot apply for admission. And if. Now please pay attention and look at this program. अब यहाँ पे हमने क्या यूज किया? We have used over here or operator. और मतलब if this condition is true, age is greater than 20, or this condition is true, gender is female. एक भी true हो गया अगर, so then the student can apply for admission. Student can apply for the admission. So let me run this program and then encounter an error. Error क्या है? What is the error? Error is there in the line number 10. अच्छा, double quotes यहाँ से miss कर दिया मैंने. You can see encountered an unexpected end of the line. So double quotes should be there at this line in the line number 10. Okay, running now. Enter use of for operator. Enter your gender. For example, if I am saying female, ठीक है. Enter your age. I am saying 17. Student can apply for admission. Why? Because one condition और था ना इसमें, there was or between them. Either or. If the age is greater than 20, you can apply for admission. If the gender is female, you can apply for admission. So or when or is there while merging two conditions, so in that situation, if one condition is true, then the action will be taken. And even the second or third condition is false. Only one condition is true, the action will be taken. But this is not the case in the end. In the end, when we are using and, all the conditions should be true. All the conditions should be true when we are applying what? We are applying and. All the conditions should be true. But when we are applying or, so even one condition is true, the rest are not true, so you are not going to have, you are going to have the action, you are not going to have any problem. So this is the difference between the and or. ठीक है? अच्छा, on your page number 95, if you will see, then you will be able to see that an object is fundamental. Page number 95. Keep your cameras closed. Keep your cameras closed. An object is a fundamental building block of small basic. Text window is an object. ये text window क्या है? Object है. अच्छा, you will have the questions like that in your term exam. Your term exams are near. We have already told you. Okay, assignment marks will be there for 5 marks for each assignment. 4 assignments will be given to you before term exam. Then we have told you 15 marks are there for the project. Project will be given to you. As I have told you, my project will be in the publisher. Then we have told you that okay, other marks will be there for the subject that we will be in the form of MCQs and true false and the short questions. So an object is the fundamental building block of the small basic. Text window is an object. यहाँ पे क्या लिखा हुआ है? Text window. We have been using the text windows. It is a window that displays the output of the program. Small basic has a number of such objects. Objects have both properties and methods. इसमें हमने देखा कि when we are writing the properties, for example, we are saying text window dot read. ये method है. This is method. Text window dot write. This is a method. Okay. A method is an action that an object can perform. In other words, it refers to the command and give that you give. For example, write line. हमने इसमें difference भी देखा था. What is meant by write line? ठीक है. Property just like object name dot property. We set these properties. So we have used the text window dot write line dot read dot write only. These all are the read number. These all are the things that we have done with the text window object. We have used different methods. Methods matlab functions that we have been using. Then come towards the math library. Math library is there that we have not gone through. Math library where mathematical functions are there. Okay, for example, math.max. So math.max is basically if compares two numbers, returns the larger number. Okay, larger numbers, two numbers or more numbers are there that two numbers are there normally that we can compare. So max function is going to return the larger number max function. Minimum function is going to return the minimum function in the two numbers that we give it to it. Okay, see the example given over here on the page number 97. See the example code. Text window dot write, enter your name, name is there, then text window dot age, age is there. And then what we are saying, we are printing this. So only the task is there. I just got your name, this and this, age, this. We have done this in our programs when we took input for the name and age when we printed these things. Fine. So such kind of programs, why I'm going through the book so that you can see that okay, all are the things, these are the things that we have already gone through. Okay. And we solve the equation, for example, create take input for a and b and calculate value for a square plus 2ab plus b square. Similarly, we can calculate the area of a rectangle. Okay, length into breadth by multiplying the length and the breadth. These are the things that we can do. We have applied the if statement, if else statement. All these things are there that we have already done. Achha, let me take another program. For example, if I say text window dot write line, enter length of rectangle. Okay, and I am saving it in a variable L. L is equals to text window dot read number. Okay, I am going to copy this text because I want to take input for the text window dot write line. I am writing now, enter the breadth of the width of the rectangle. Rectangle's spelling L should be there. Okay, then I am going to take input in the width. Now I am going to calculate the area. Area, you know, area is equals to length into breadth. I have taken width over here. W. Now I am going to print the answer. Text window dot write line, and I am writing the area of the rectangle is equal to, and the area is stored in which variable? In variable A. Okay. Why I am unable to understand, some people leave and then rejoin. At the time of attendance, if you will not be present, definitely your absence will be marked. Now let me run this program. Length of the rectangle, if I am giving 4.5, and the width I am giving 3.7. The area of the rectangle is 16.65. We can also add the unit over here. अच्छा, अब अगर हम ये देखना चाहें, if you want to see कि length is greater or width is greater, which one is greater? ठीक है. So over here, if I want to see कि length is greater or the width is greater, so I can save it in the G. Which one is greater? Max find करना है हमें. max. किसकी वैल्यू ज्यादा है? Length comma width. So it will be stored in the value of G. अब हम इसको प्रिंट कराते हैं. If I print it now, text window dot write line, the greater value, we don't know कि किसकी लेंथ ज्यादा है. जाहिर है लेंथ ही ज्यादा होगी ना, हमें पता है वैसे यहाँ पे वैल्यू, बट आई एम गोइंग टू गिव यू द एग्जांपल. द ग्रेटर वैल्यू इज, हम कंपेयर कर रहे हैं, वी आर कंपेयरिंग इट, देन प्लस एंड देन वी आर प्रिंटिंग इट जी. जी में आंसर आ जाएगा. द आंसर विल बी स्टोर्ड इन द जी. लेंथ ऑफ द, I am giving 4.5 and over here I am giving 3.4. The area of the rectangle is 15.30. Greater value is 4.5. So math.max will find out the greater value. Math.min will find out the smaller value. This is how we can use it. Are you getting this point? Acha ji. Ulfa, you want to ask something? Yes.
Sir, I want to ask about the project. Sir, you had given the you have given the project to make the brochure of restaurant and their menus. How we have to make that?
I haven't given the project now. I will give in your Google Classroom. You will be able to see.
Sir, my father told me.
But I will upload it in the Google Classroom. From there you will be able to read. Okay, fine.
Oh.
Rimsha Zia. Rimsha, ask your question quickly. We have less time. I have unmuted your mic. Aris Khan. Aris, ask the question.
Yes, sir. My question was that in the WhatsApp group there is already a PDF file being given for the project, and it says all the things that what are we going to do in the project.
Sorry.
In the WhatsApp group, there is already a PDF file mentioned for all the projects, for all the subjects. In there it already says what are we going to do in the project.
ठीक है, fine, good. I did not check in the WhatsApp, so that's why fine. It will also be uploaded in your Google Classroom. Good, fine. If you have come to know, then you can start. ठीक है, you can start it.
Okay, sir.
Good. Abdullah Shinwari. Yes.
What I wanted to ask, he asked already.
Okay, fine. Acha ji, no one will raise the hand now. No one is going to raise the hand. I am going to mark the attendance. ठीक है? Okay. So we have got over here from Aris Khan to Alian Asad. Then Alian Asad to Hiba Imran. All these students have mentioned, I think, yes. And then we have got up to Muhammad Yasir Badr, Saad Fayaz, and then up to the end Varisha. Okay. Acha ji, I have taken the attendance. Fine. So now we are going towards again our work that we were doing. And I have shown you how we can use the max function and minimum function using math. Okay. I will give you these files in your you know, in your Google Classroom so that you can go through it. Fine. अच्छा जी. Yes, Ayat Zubair, you want to ask something? Yes, quickly.
Sir, I want to ask, in the last you told us to about the coding of maths. So whenever it asks the first number 6 and the second number 2, does it multiply the numbers or divide the numbers?
In which program?
Miss, sir, in small basic.
No, right now the program which is displayed in front of you, this program.
Yes, no, yeah, no, this is not. This is about the shapes in the last class, about the numbers.
What we had done? Tell me again, once again.
Sir, it is like a number. We write the code, and when you run it, it says enter the first number. And you enter the first number, and then it asks you to enter the second number. So whenever it tells the answer, sir, can you tell me if it multiplies the two numbers or divides the two numbers?
Actually, yesterday where the program that we had done, it was about comparison of three numbers. Enter first number, enter second number, enter third number, and then find out which one is greatest among them. This was the program that we did yesterday. Okay, na? In which we discussed about the AND operator. This was the program. No? So where here
Yes, sir.
basically we discussed about AND. AND matlab कि if A is greater than B and A is greater than C, इसका मतलब क्या है? It means कि A is the largest number. Why? Because A is greater than B and A is greater than C. Getting this point?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, if it is not so, then check for B. If B is greater than A and B is greater than C, then B is the greatest number. And if it is not so, then check for C. No need to check for C. Then definitely C is the greatest number.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Saulaf Ibrahim.
Sir, can I send my assignment to you on email like we did in social?
I am unable to listen your voice. Your voice is breaking. I am unable to listen. Ask again quickly.
Sir, can I see you my project on mail like we did in social studies class?
No, everyone will send the assignment in the Google Classroom. Okay, I will tell the method. You will have to send the assignment in your Google Classroom. Keep in mind. Okay?
Okay, sir. When will you answer?
Your voice is not clear, Saulaf Ibrahim. Your voice is not clear. Acha ji. Is there anyone else who has got any other questions so that we can move ahead towards the chapter? Any other question if someone has got?
Sir, when you tell us the master.
About?
Sir?
Yes.
The method. What can we do?
Ask again.
When will you tell us the master? When will you tell us the method?
I will tell all.
For sending the project.
I have already told you that our assignments will be uploaded in our Google Classroom in this format that I had shared. Okay, this will be the format, and you will have to turn in for your assignment. Okay, you will have to turn in for your assignment, and in this way you will be able to do your assignment. There will be a due date, assigned date. On Wednesday, I will give the assignment, and tomorrow it is Wednesday. Okay. Acha ji, Saad Fayaz. Yes, quickly, Saad, what is your question?
Sir, what will be the sir? When will be we have to say the give the present our project? When will we have to give our projects?
Due date will also be mentioned with the project. Okay, you can check the due date. Hiba Imran. Yes, Hiba, I have unmuted your mic. Please ask the question quickly. Noorzishan.
Sir, we're gonna make the project on chart?
No, that is basically I will give you in the publisher. It is basically in the publisher. You have to make one brochure in the publisher. Okay? So the details will be shared in your
Sir?
classroom. Okay?
Sir, can we make on chart?
It is not for manual work. You have to do work in publisher.
Okay, sir.
You are studying computer science. Okay, is there any other question? So these details will be shared on the particular dates. Okay? And assignments have got dates, all these things. So you will have to do accordingly. Yes, Amina Mustafa, what is your question?
Sir, tomorrow, right, you're going to give us a project of like publisher, example publisher. Can you show us the method how to download it in the Google Class? Because I have no idea.
How to download what?
How to download the assignment. No, not the assignment. Like, I know you have to take a picture, but not that one. When you tell us to do in publisher, how will we download it in the Google Class?
You are using Google Classroom. You are using it right now.
No.
Google Classroom you are using or not? The Google Classroom, when you join the classroom, we have shared the codes with you. And we have asked all these students, okay, these are the codes and you have to join. Definitely your assignments, all assignments will come in your Google Classroom. Keep in mind. Okay? Hasnain Nawaz.
Sir, we will also give you the project, presentation and assignment also.
Yeah, 4 assignments are there that we will give every week. Okay? I have already told this thing.
Sir, you have already given one now?
No, this was just a classwork and homework. This was not that assignment. Okay? This is just a classwork and homework that the assignment I will start from tomorrow on Wednesday. Okay? Clear? Now this thing is clear now. Okay, Ji. Any other question if you have got, please ask me so that all the things will be clear. I have already told you there would be 4 assignments. Each assignment will have 5 marks. ठीक है? Assignments will be given in your Google Classroom. Assignments will be given on every Wednesday. Assignments will have a date before which you will have to submit your assignment because you will have a due date. If you will not submit your assignment within the due date, your marks will be 0. Clear? All these things are clear now. Project will have 15 days time. I will share the project as well in your Google Classroom so that you can understand what are the different things. You have to make a brochure in your publisher. What are the things that you have to do? All the detail will be mentioned. The project will also have a due date. The project you will have to submit in your Google Classroom, where you will see that what is basically the project description. You will attach your project publisher file in your Google Classroom and I will see that publisher file. Clear? Once again, I have repeated all these things. Yes, Hiba, your voice was not clear in your earlier question as well. Yes.
Sir, now you can hear my voice.
Yeah.
Sir, we have when we have made in the project, we have to send you the link, or we should take the photos and send it to you.
Not photo, actual publisher file. Attach that actual publisher file in the Google Classroom. When I will upload it, okay, I will give you in the Google Classroom. You will reply in the Google Classroom. Okay.
Sir, we have to send you the link of.
No, not link. Attach file. How do you attach the file? File attachment. Word file होती है जैसे इसी तरह से Excel file होती है इसी तरह से publisher file होती है. You will have to attach the publisher file. Okay. Getting?
Yes.
Yasir. Our class time is now about to over. Yes, Yasir, quickly.
Sir, we will